Hey class, Joshua Seiler here. This is our lexicon video assignment, and as you can see here by my title page, mine is on first-person narrator, so this was a pretty neat little assignment here to kind of go through a bit about first-person narration. I wanted to start with a definition. A narrator is a first-person narrator. They're a participant in the action. First-person narrator often refers to themselves as I, and they may be a major or a minor character, depending on who's telling the story. Typically, the first-person narrator is the protagonist or the leading character in the story, though. So their inner thoughts are expressed to the audience. So the reader, they get to actually see through the character's eyes, and they're going to know the character's innermost thoughts and feelings about what's going on through the story. So anything that's done under first-person narration, you're gonna find that. To really kind of, give everyone an understanding of what first-person narrator really is, if the definition doesn't help, I wanted to pick some book examples and some movie examples. Some books that are written in first-person narrator are To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee, and then some of the newer ones for newer generations, Percy Jackson and the Olympians, that entire series, as well as the Hunger Games series. Those are first-person narrator books. So you get to understand the story from the protagonist, the main character, and you know their thoughts and feelings on everything that happens throughout the actual stories themselves. Hunger Games and Percy Jackson books, and actually To Kill a Mockingbird, they've all been made into movies at one point in time or another, but a list of movies with first-person narrator as well. Shawshank Redemption, one of my favorite movies of all time. Tim Robbins' character in there, you get a really good understanding of the story through his eyes as the first-person narrator there. Leonardo DiCaprio in The Wolf of Wall Street, anything Martin Scorsese is amazing, and then the entire Twilight saga, all through first-person narrator. But I hope that gives everyone an understanding of what first-person narrator is all about, and I look forward to watching everyone else's videos.